In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to optimize your YouTube videos for search in YouTube search. This is really not something to skimp out on. Be sure to stay tuned till the end as well for some special tips. Now, most people start off by telling you you need to have a highly searched title, but I'm gonna start with something just a little different. You need to research your title, and while you're researching, mark some highly searched keywords, keyword phrases, and people or things, and put it in your thumbnail. Now, this is not what everybody talks about. YouTube is always trying to make it easier for the viewer to find what they are looking for, and often that starts with the thumbnail. Of course, the title is next, and really the thumbnail and title go hand in hand. Here's some practical tips. What you want to do is go to vidiq.com. I will actually leave it linked up in the description below if you'd like to check it out. Another popular tool is called TubeBuddy, which I'll also link in the description below, but my favorite is vidIQ, and they're not paying me to say that. I just really like vidIQ. Basically, this program allows you to search for free what your audience is looking for on YouTube. It will tell you what keywords are best, how much competition there is, and how much search volume it receives on a monthly basis. If you pair this with a free tool like Google Trends, you can then post your videos when that keyword gets searched the most. This is like a combo trifecta. I think trifecta is 3, but you know what I mean. Often you'll see news companies do this around election times or product reviewers posting a lot of content about Black Friday. It's called tent poles. You want to post right before the tent pole. The next thing to take into consideration is the first few lines in your description. You want to have the beginning of your YouTube video descriptions to be clear, concise, and use some of the keywords you found while you were researching. Here's why. Whenever someone searches for something and their search phrase is in your description, it will actually be bold, which makes your videos stand out amongst the sea of other YouTube videos out there that people are searching for. Now, in just a second, I want to tell you about another vitally important way to optimize your YouTube videos for search that has literally changed the way I look at YouTube. But first, if you would like to learn more about YouTube thumbnails, then I seriously want you to join my $45 expert thumbnail design course. This course is full of how to research topics and design a thumbnail to rank #1 and receive high click-through rate. So click the link in the description below. Now, full transparency, this course is mainly for churches because I help churches grow their media. I've gotten to consult with mega churches, small churches, mid-sized churches, and for all of them, this thumbnail advice has doubled their views, literally. And I hope that you enjoy this course. $45, go check it out. Now, here's a piece of advice most people don't think about when they're shooting their YouTube videos, and probably what you don't hear on a regular basis on YouTube. What you say, specifically within the first 30 seconds, is vitally important. YouTube will use this to gauge whether or not you are actually talking about the topic you said you are. Now, here's an example. Let's get realistic with this. This video began with me stating the main keyword I was reaching for. Let's go back and look at it. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to optimize your YouTube videos for search in YouTube search. It's powerful, and that's why you're watching this video. But please leave a comment below with your favorite tips for optimizing videos for YouTube search. I've been researching for years how to design thumbnails that actually get clicks. 18.5 million views later, I figured it out, and I want to share this information with you. Now, there isn't a lot of actionable material that's easy to find out there, especially for free. It's barely anything. But now there is an easy way to get all of it in one little bundle. So for $45, you can join my expert thumbnail design course for churches and get the click today. And be sure to watch this live stream I did about the death of YouTube subscribers. I'll see you over there. Peace.